guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sindy Akpolo, and if this is your first time joining or stopping by my channel, welcome and thank you guys so much. I truly appreciate you guys. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve a no cut crease look. No cut crease. Wow, that sounds so nice. No cut crease. Just imagine. So yes, I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve a no cut crease look. So if you've been having issues or if you've been battling with cut crease, here is a tutorial to show you that you can achieve a cut crease look without doing a cut crease. Yes, without doing a cut crease. That makes sense. If this is the kind of tutorial you like to see, then definitely keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and all of that good stuff, and let's jump right into the tutorial. For your base, you want to use concealer or an eyeshadow primer, and for concealer today or for primer, I'll be setting concealer and I'll be using the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Concealer in 15010. Now that we've primed our lids, moving on to eyeshadow, and for eyeshadow today I'm going to be using the MoodBeauty Arusha palette. For my transition, I'm going to take this shade for my transition. So for your eyeshadow, you need a transition shade. A transition stands or serves as a barrier between the concealer or your primer and your eyeshadow. So it is the first product you apply on your lids in order to make the other products you put on your lids to appear boldly. I don't know if that makes sense. Or in order for the products you put or the other products you're about to put appear nicely or seamlessly. Up here. So with this, you want to make sure you take it all up like so. So from above here is my crease. So I'm just patting that right in and blending it at once. So you want to go in with little products and just going with the product first you use or you apply on your lids has to be, you mustn't use too much of a product. Just blend it out and here we go. Repeat the same on the other eye. As a transition shade, any product you put or apply on your lids is going to appear boldly or nicely. Next up, for my crease shade, I'm going to take this shade to apply on my crease. Tap off the excess and work it out like so. And repeat the same on the other eye. Okay, going back in with the first shade we used earlier, I'm just going to blend out the edges. Blending out the edges so there is no form of harsh lines between the two shades we just applied, so they blend into each other. Moving on, for the to apply the color to the outer corner or to my outer V, I'm going to take this one on my outer V. This is my outer V, and I'm just going to place that color or that shade right here, and I'm bringing it out like so. So I'm trying to create like a wing. You see how that blended into the other shade? So you want to create like a shadow in this outer view and make sure that you can see the depth effect it already has on the eye. So just continue blending it. Make sure you blend, you don't just place it in, blend to make it look seamless. You can see this already looks blended compared to this one, and I'm just going to continue blending this, bring it out a little bit, going back in with the first shade we used earlier and blending these two shades together, the crease and the one we used in the outer view. There's no product in this, it's the same brush I used earlier. I'm just using it to blend out the two shades, so there's no form of harsh lines between them. Next, I'm going to take this shade, place that here like so. Because you're not doing a cut crease, you want to take it up as high as you can, just to make sure it blends in into the other eyeshadow or the other shadow of product you already applied earlier. So I'm taking it up to my crease. I'm going to take this shade in Asanwa, this shade right here. Okay, so now that we have our low cut crease look, I'm going to repeat or use some of the colors I used earlier. I'm going to take this shade for my bottom lashes or my lower lashes. So I'm just going to smudge that out. I'm going to use this orange shade we used earlier. For my inner corner highlight, I'm going to use this. So for this look, I'm not going to use any highlight. There you have it for the no cut crease look or tutorial. This is the finished look. How seamless and gorgeous this look is. I hope you guys learned one or two things from this tutorial. If this is the kind of tutorial you like to see here on my channel, do let me know. Comment in the comment section down below what other tutorials you like to see here on this channel, and I'll be glad to do tutorial relating or as related to that. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Don't forget to stay healthy, stay blessed.